Takeovers are unironically taking over the car scene, and they're single-handedly destroying car enthusiasts' reputations and timeless-looking cars.
Like this one. Or maybe not.
This 2009 350Z was a certified member of the Takeover community until, But me and my friend Logan decided to take on this challenge to give this ex-Takeover car a makeover.
On a budget though, cause we ain't got no money, nigga.
But the first thing we need to do is make a list of everything we need to fix or replace. And geez, man, it's gonna be a lot.
So basically what we have to do today is take off the wheel hub assembly because it has a pretty nasty sound. At first we thought it was the suspension and all that stuff rubbing against the wheel. But, after doing further research and stuff like that, we found out it was the wheel hub assembly on this side, bro. It sounds crazy. It has, like, a bad, like roaring, freaking, like, screeching sound. I don't know. It's crazy, bro. So we have to replace that. And then we got some goodies for this car as well. So let's get straight to it.
So we lifted the car and immediately got to work. But let me give you an example of what it sounds like. Yeah, sounds pretty bad. And we're not mechanics, so we could be replacing something that doesn't need to be replaced. And if that's the case, we're gonna have some bigger issues.
I need to get you one of these, a chicken salad. So basically what we're gonna have to do right now is so take off the brake, then take off these right here. So hold on, let me get under here. So we're gonna need to take off this bolt, and then there's like 4 other bolts on top of it and stuff like that. Oh, that was easy.
Damn.
I think I'm just extra strong, bro. Yeah.
Probably all that shit knocking, all that shit over there loose as fuck.
Just like that. First bolt now.
So convenient. 2 turns, so convenient.
So we quickly took off the rotors and brakes, and after doing some YouTube research, we are now at the hardest part of the job.
Yeah, that's definitely a problem, bro.
Ew.
It's not supposed to sound like that. So y'all see this bolt right here needs to be taken off. This one right here, the one above it right here, and then there's 2 on each side too. But they said the most painful one is the bottom one because this is in the way. So you're gonna have to turn the wheel this way so we can get it out. So I think we should just do that now. Get the hardest one out the way first.
Car sounds good, but everyone on YouTube is complaining about the bottom bolt because this part of the car is in the way. We only have a limited amount of tools, so if we can't get it off, this whole job is done for.
Alright, so they said if your socket don't fit, 17 millimeter, you need one of these. So let's see if this one's gonna do the justice. Oh, and it doesn't. It doesn't.
The reason why this is bad is because we're going to have to use a chrome socket or a chrome wrench. And if you guys don't know, chrome strips bolts very easy. If we strip this bolt, man.
We just gotta break it, and then after we break it, it's down, right?
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, you might have to do it the other end.
No, not this way.
Other way, yeah.
It's not gonna fit.
You're not even on the boat.
And there the stripping begins. I sat down and contemplated on what we were gonna do, but after thinking, I said let's just take the risk and use a chrome socket instead. And this idea definitely saved us some time because
we got the hardest bolt out first. It took us like 5 minutes to take it out. We ran the risk of stripping the bolt and use, what's that? A 17 white socket. So
there it is.
like candy. Alright. So we got.
Tastes like candy.
It's like digging in your butt for goodies. For goodies.
Whoa.
Bro, look at all this shit, bro. This is all built up brake dust and freaking oil, all types. I don't even know what's on here, bro. Bro, it's gonna be a pain to get off. We're supposed to bang it with the thing, or I have pry bars. Oh, we got it on!
So we were able to get the wheel bearing off and put it back together, but while we were cleaning up the suspension, I noticed something strange.
So apparently this is aftermarket right here, and it moves overly. We have the OEM on right here though. Right there. Did you like that? Brand new. As you can see, this is what I was talking about. It's loose as hell. Like, this shit is loose as fuck.
Hey, do that again. Nigga, hold it.
Why? Bro, why don't you just use a gun? Cause it don't fit.
So now that we got both control arms fixed, it is now time for the goodies. We got some aftermarket headlights.
Come on. Bro, you turn the car on. Turn the lights on, bro. Jeez. Wait, only one headlight came on, though. Only one headlight came on.
Huh? You didn't put a bulb in this. There's not a bulb in it? No. My dumb ass.
We have a problem now.
Huh?
There's a bulb in here, but it's not turning on. So we're gonna see if there's something unplugged or something, bro.
And just like that, our high spirits are crushed. We got sent a faulty headlight, and now we're gonna have to return it.
That's done. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Remember, like,
You just fixed the DJ? Yeah. It's the back. It's that coil over here. That's an easy fix, though. It was just that.